Hey everybody, just showing what I got come in. Ordered it last week, it finally come in. I'm excited to open it up. So you get to see it as I do. And if you can read it already, sit right down there. It's a 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. And yes, it weighs about 200 pounds. It took me a little bit just to get it up here. They got a lot of stuff in this. Nice. I'll go ahead and open out there, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. Get this around here out. Solid top, metal sides. Is a Husky 9-drawer. Two big, that's the wheels and stuff goes to it down in there. Two big drawers here. And I like these, watch this. Slowed in, that way got extension. You have a plug-in over here to it. Not bad. 46-inch Husky. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these drawers right here. A big one. Two deep bows, 6 of the small ones, 1 big one. I have the keys, they're in here, right there, to lock the baby up at night. That way I have to lock it all up. Let's see, right here is handle. For it. There we go, there's the handle. Goes over here. I'm too poor, if you know what I'm saying. Twos, poor. I have a bunch of twos and got them in my buildings, on my porch, stored up everywhere. So this right here gives me a better place to put them. Like I said, it's made out of metal, weighs about just shy of 200 pounds. Not bad. Let me put you back over here, which you get to see what I'm doing it, and we'll open up the boxes as it does. There you go. I can see it. Handles and the screw stuff to bolt it up. Not bad, seriously. Got it at Home Depot all together for Father's Day gift. Nice wheels, good heavy duty. They have the brakes on it to lock it. Yep, not bad. And a hardwire patch it on here. Like I said, I want to pack it in the back because I've got tubes everywhere. So, but not bad. Seriously, excuse me. Not bad at all. There, have that, and get this back off here again. Got here. Let's get it on out. Take it out this way. It'd be a whole lot easier. Come on. But have a plug in. It has on off switch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plug in, and if I want to charge like the camera up or my phone, USB. Not bad. I like it. But I'll put it together. I'll put it there and start putting my tubes into it. We're giving rain, so I'm going to try to get it put up this evening, this evening sometime. But I like it, people. Father's Day gift. Husky. Home Depot got them on sale right now. If you want one, go there and get them. This is not me advertising for Home Depot. Just let you know if you want one. Where I got it at. I did a bit over $400. It was worth it for a Husky. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Be careful, everybody.